Hey friends, this is Souramita. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are staying safe and healthy. Wishing everyone a happy Diwali. Today I'm gonna draw a beautiful mandala art of Diya, also known as earthen lamp, on black paper using white jelly roll pen. First I'm creating a 14 centimeter straight line. Fixing the compass at the middle of the line, I'm drawing a semicircle of radius 7 cm. Now from the middle point, I have started drawing the flame of fire using the white jelly roll pen. Now I'm filling the inner portion with the same white jelly roll pen. Let's start the diya. First I'm drawing a small semicircle and then a larger one. I'll just fill up the smaller circle with dots. Now I'm drawing some petal-like shapes. I'm filling the spaces in the inner portion of the petals. Now I line up the outer portion of the petals with dots as the same way I did in the inner portion. Now I'm drawing two more semicircles. I'll fill up the inner semicircle with some elliptical shapes, but the difference is these shapes contain two sharp points. Now I'll fill up the left half side of this kind of elliptical shapes and I'll keep a dot on the right side. I'm drawing a border line so that this mandala looks more defined and detailed. Now I'm drawing a line similar to that inner border line. If you are new to my channel, make sure you subscribe and click the bell icon so that you never miss any new video. And don't forget to subscribe my shorts channel. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Now I'm drawing 3 circles in decreasing order of size and I'll fill them from inside. I'm erasing the pencil lines. I'm making the bottom part of the flame a little bit more precise. Well, I'm absolutely loving the results. See you in the next video. Bye.